Your alarm goes off in the morning. The sky outside is gray. Your bed is warm. The blanket is soft. You get up, walk to the bathroom, and turn on the water. Steam rises. As the hot water hits your body, you relax. You feel safe. You feel comfortable. But let me tell you a hard truth. That comfort is slowly killing you. In the modern world, we've become addicted to comfort. Our homes are kept at 22 degrees. Our cars are air-conditioned. Our water is always warm. As a result, our body's survival mechanisms have fallen asleep. But this is not our biology. Our ancestors survived ice ages, brutal winds, and freezing rivers. Our genes were forged in hardship. Our genes want resistance. Our genes want to wake up. Centuries ago, the samurai living in Japan's snowy mountains understood this perfectly. At the first light of dawn, they would stand beneath freezing waterfalls. Their goal wasn't just to clean their bodies. They called this ritual Misogi, a ritual of purification. For a samurai, that ice-cold water was an enemy. While the mind screamed, "Run!" remaining completely still beneath the waterfall was training that hardened the will like steel. Today, modern science has confirmed what the samurai intuitively knew centuries ago. Cold exposure is not just a test of willpower. It is one of the most powerful medicines the human body has. So what actually happens in your body when you turn the tap to the blue side? The first second, shock. You gasp for air. Your heart rate spikes. This is your body's fight or flight response. Your brain screams, "Get out! We're gonna die!" But if you stay, if you remain calm in that moment of panic, a biological miracle begins. First, dopamine. Cold exposure can increase dopamine levels by up to 250%. This effect is stronger and far longer lasting than your morning coffee. Unlike caffeine, it doesn't spike you and crash you. It gives you hours of sharp focus and calm, steady energy. Second, metabolism and brown fat. Your body has two types of fat: white fat, the belly fat we don't want, and brown fat. Brown fat is your internal furnace. The moment it senses cold, it activates and starts burning calories to keep you warm. Cold showers are one of the fastest ways to activate this good fat. Third, the immune system. Cold exposure places short-term stress on the body. Science calls this hormesis. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Studies show that people who regularly take cold showers get sick up to 30% less than those who don't. Your immune system stays alert, like a soldier constantly on duty. But the greatest benefit isn't physical, it's mental. No one wants to step into ice-cold water first thing in the morning. Your brain produces thousands of excuses. It's too cold today. I'm feeling a little sick. I'll start tomorrow. If, despite all those excuses, you still turn that tap, you've already won the first and greatest victory of the day. You've defeated your own mind. That victory carries into everything else. A difficult meeting, a stressful job, it doesn't matter. You're someone who stood under ice-cold water at 7 a.m. Those problems bounce right off you. So how do you practice a modern misogi? You don't need to fill your bathtub with ice. The method is simple. Take your normal hot shower. Relax, lather up. But just before you step out, reach for the tap. Don't think, don't negotiate, just turn it. When the water turns ice cold, don't hold your breath. Control it. Breathe deep and slow. Just 30 seconds. Those 30 seconds will feel like a lifetime. But when you step out, you won't leave the bathroom shivering. You'll walk out like a titan, steam rising from your body, unbreakable. Cold is a ruthless teacher, but it is honest. The question is this: will you stay asleep in your comfort zone, or will you choose the samurai's path and wake up? The tap is right there. The choice is yours.